Okay, so we are in this textbook right here, Generalized Linear Models with Examples in R. And we're in Chapter 2, which is discussing linear models. So not generalized linear models, but linear models for data that is, for data that is normally distributed. Okay, so so we're on the first question 2.1. So we are going to, 1, interpret the meaning of the constant term beta naught in this formula or in this regression equation right here. Okay, and then we're going to interpret alpha naught when the equation is written like this. And so really alpha naught and beta naught are both intercepts. And so we're trying to interpret what the intercept means. Okay. So, so we'll look at the first equation. Okay. So when, so beta naught, again, like it's the intercept, but if we want to interpret it, it is the expected value of y, which is mu, when x equals 0, right? Because when x equals 0, beta 1 x becomes 0, so that mu is just then equal to beta naught. Okay. Now in the second form of this equation, it's a little bit different, right? So instead of beta 1 being multiplied by x, it's multiplied by this term right here, x minus x bar, where x bar is the mean of x. And so what we've done here is we've centered x around its mean value, right? So now alpha naught is the value of mu, so the expected value of y, when x equals x bar. Okay, so when x equals x bar, then x minus x bar becomes 0, such that beta 1 times x minus x bar becomes 0, and then mu just equals 1. So, or becomes alpha naught. So again, all that the way that these two terms, or the way that these two formulas differ, is that one is just using x, and one is using a centered version of x. So we've transformed x to be just a centered value. Okay, that's it for this one.